Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to fix sound or mic issues in Overwatch 2. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your headphones or speakers are properly connected. Check your system volume settings and ensure Overwatch 2 isn't muted. Launch Overwatch 2 and click on the menu icon in the top right corner to open settings. Tap Options. Go to the Sound tab. Make sure master volume, music volume and sound effects are turned off. If sound still doesn't work, try restarting the game or your device. To fix your mic, follow these steps. Go to the voice chat section. Set group voice chat and team voice chat to auto join or on. Make sure voice chat mode is set to push to talk or open mic based on your preference. If using push to talk, make sure your keybind is correct. To check it, tap on the plus icon. These are the list of keys that you can use to talk. Now ensure your default microphone is set correctly in your system settings. Open your settings, then search for sound settings. Now make sure your input and output devices are correct. And that's how you can fix sound and mic issues in Overwatch 2.